Hello children, today we are learning ABCD alphabets and colors name. So let's start. Purple color, dark blue color, orange color, green color, pink color and brown color. So let's try saying A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, let's painting. A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane. Capital A for aeroplane, good job. B for butterfly, B for butterfly. Capital B for butterfly, nice. C for car, C for car. Capital C for car. D for dinosaur, D for dinosaur. Capital D for dinosaur. E for eagle, E for eagle. Capital E for eagle. Good job. F for fan, F for fan. Capital F for fan. G for grass, G for grass. Capital G for grass. H for horse, H for horse. Capital H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Capital I for ice cream, nice. J for jug, J for jug. Capital J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. Capital K for kite. L for lamp, L for lamp. Capital L for lamp. M for mango, M for mango. Capital M for mango, good job. N for nest, N for nest. Capital N for nest. K-L-M-N. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q. Q for coin. Q for coin. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for window. W for window. Very good. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Awesome. U. Capital U. V. W. X. Y. Z. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. B. B for butterfly. Let's tracing butterfly. Let's painting capital B. Small b. Butterfly.